Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to log into eBay account. To sign in or log in into your eBay account, you follow these steps. You could either go ahead and install the application from your Play Store or use a browser. So if you want to use the Play Store, then on the search box type in ebay.com. On the search box type in eBay and click the install button. In my case, I'm gonna go ahead and use the website or the web version. So I'm gonna type in ebay.com. When I type in ebay.com, you could see this is how it's gonna look like. While you're on this page, click this profile icon, and next thing you want to do is you'll be asked to either continue with your Google or either login. Now click on continue with Google. In my case, I happen to do it with this one. Now select the Google account and then log in into your account. So this way you'll be logged into your eBay account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.